So it seems to be online. Okay. All right. Just all right. That is online. Everything seems working. Okay. So we're gonna be starting really soon. Today we'll be training the silver OTC with the support of a Bollinger Bands, and I hope that will earn a fortune. Okay, let me wait a little bit until I can find a really good spot. Let's wait for people in the chat. And we'll be going. Hi, Brittany. What is going on? I'm gonna start with a quick coach system market. It seems that we are entering an uptrend. Quite a bit tired now from because I had a long day, but it's okay. I can still do some trades. Today we'll be trading the silver OTC with the support of a Bollinger Bands. I'll use the stochastic oscillator 1433 to calculate the momentum of the market. And that is how I'll make my deals. So pretty much the same stuff as yesterday. How's it going? Do I have something to tell? Maybe you have a question? Maybe something else to discuss? Because, yeah, Megan, hi. The bucket option is never closed because it's an OTC. That is why I preferred to the real markets. To goes out there, okay. Let's keep it that way. I can like the grow here. Okay, and green breakthrough canal. Got two in a row, plus 367. And now we enter plateau. Okay. Let him focus. So the trend is weak. It is relatively weak. It doesn't want to continue growing. But now we enter the downtrend actually. Now we enter the downtrend and what happens next? A red breakthrough canal. I just need some time to start up, to warm up, to start up, to make some entry deals, to talk a little bit, and only then I'll be good to stream. That it formed a beautiful heel. However, that's not really affirmation. The oscillator shows me the negative momentum, so I'll just double down on the short. And the oscillator jumped back. Okay. Okay, that was not something expected, and I'll write it off on the market fluctuations. By the way, how is it going? How is it going, my champs? Do you have any questions? Do you have something going on with your lives? Because I am eager to talk to you about whatever you want. The trading is important, but it takes like half of my brain right now. I don't really have to think when I trade. I just feel like it. Watching from you, Jesse. That is cool. Hey, how's it going in New Jersey? Okay, the oscillator jumped down, so we're basically in a downtrend for some time, and I can't really do anything about it. So it began to take the form of a wave, which is cool. We can abuse that. So now it will continue forming more and more and more waves. I'll make two shots out there. Okay, they seem to go through. But will it jump from the floor? It should. There should be a correction really soon, so I must be prepped to press the call button. Mhm. And yep, here it goes. Just as I told you, the correction is there. So we saw a green breakthrough candle. Should have made a call, yeah, but I've lost the moment. We have more chances in the future. Let me fix the lights. Let me dim them a little bit. Do I trade XRP? Not yet. Sovos later showed me the positive momentum, but it's not the time to make a call because we actually reached the big point. The only way from the peak is down, so I must consider placing a short somewhere about here. Okay, here we go. Two shorts. I'll double down on the shorts. And after that, maybe it will start to bounce up and down. Yep, it will. And it will be chaotic. But we'll manage it. We will manage it. It isn't something impossible. XRP to the moon. Okay, I'll build a view. I don't like trading the meme coins because they're unstable as hell. However, you can make a fortune trading them. For example, if you flip Solana over Dogecoin, personally, I keep all the money I have in the Bitcoin. Most stable of them all. The Telegram creator, Bevel Earth, said that the Bitcoin would cost something like $1 million in 10 or 15 years. And I don't really think that he is all wrong, because might actually be it might actually cost somewhere about 250,000 at least, at the very least. So as later shows me my positive momentum, the same thing as always, the silver OTC just feeds me. I am on my feeding spree. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, please hit that like button. If you want to rate like me, you can get to the website for the referral link in the description. You don't have to deposit any kind of money. You just have to try it yourself. You just use a demo account and it will be fine. I just need referrals to prolong my VIP status on the platform. That is the sole reason. And my nose itches. It fell down catastrophically, and now it should be bouncing back. I'll wait until I can do something about it, but I'm not really sure. So I've made a goal, not the best spot, but at least I didn't miss a reversal. What is going on, Auron? How's it going for you, champ? Didn't go through, but it's okay. I think that it's okay. Let's me think about it. So that is a plateau. I won't make any moves yet. Just have to find the right spot. Inhale in, exhale out. If you want to learn, just watch the stream. You can watch some educational videos on the YouTube. You can also try it yourself. Just use the link from the description and sign up on the website. Use the demo account and they have to deposit any money whatsoever. So it almost went through. Oh, from the UK. Okay. I'll I'll make a note about that because I want to know of you personally. I want to create a secret trader club one day. So I think I've got to be more active. Because I'm plainly silent most of the time, and I don't really like that. It's just boring. It's just dull. It's not interesting to watch a streamer who is silent all the time. I'm not the kind of a pro or a silent pro who does everything right. So I have to talk to you to tell you some jokes. For example, about the snail who went into a bar and the barman kicked him out. And a month passed. The snail came back and said to the barman, "Fuck you." When my friend told me this joke, it was fine as hell. The absurdity of the situation of a snail coming back. I like the conceptual jokes. I don't like them to be plain. I would like them to have a flavor, to be one way stupid or maybe another way cringe or something else. Because I like unusual things that don't really exist or happen all the time. Yeah, thank you, Jack. We've got a big profits today, and we'll have even more. Maybe we'll even hit the milestone of 15,000 today. So let's keep it real. I will. I will. What will I do? Oh, that is a plateau once again. That is a plateau once again, and I don't really like it because it just jumps up and down without any reason or rhyme or whatever. And it's hard to predict what's gonna happen next. Plus 752. Okay, so we seem to enter an uptrend. I can't really do much about it. Maybe I will try to shut it from my eyes point because it might be the peak price, and it seems to be the peak price, but I need more confirmations of that. Thank you, Jack. I really appreciate the support, guys. So now that what happens, it's a plateau once again, and while we wait until the plateau is over, I'll make a quick short from my high point because I got it. I got it. The Bollinger Band shows me that it is a plateau for sure, and we've got the profits, we've got the money. The time frame is something around 15 seconds, as I remember, if I remember it right. Just choose the time frame you would like to use, which suits personally you. Open up a demo account and then decide it for yourself. All the settings should be set in order to help you. Do not try to copy any streamers or bloggers or whoever. Okay, plus 752. Let's keep it that way. Let's keep moving. I'll make even more trades. The stochastic oscillator should jump back from the floor. We'll try to hit the ceiling. Yeah, thank you, David Jack. Thank you for watching. I will change the sum of the trades because I want to get the bigger deals and the juicier profits. It is still a downtrend without any bright spots. Oh, and that seems to be a bright spot. Okay. Okay, so I wanted to have some confirmations of a reversal, but some market fluctuations got me in the last second. So basically, the thing I wanted to do is to place a short on a downtrend because I didn't see any reversals upcoming now, but the reversal appeared right after I made a trade, and that is an unlucky situation for sure. That is a pity. But it's not a big loss. It's not a big loss. That is why I don't use 100% of my budget to make trades. I don't go all in. Never go all in. You should never spend all of your money going all in. And my eyes cannot stop twitching and itching and twitching. I'm like a fucking bot trading all the day. And that is cool. I like to have a purpose. Everything should have a purpose, and if even if it doesn't, someone will find a purpose to the purposeless thing. Even yeah. By the way, if you are an active participant of a streamer, please write down a plus into the chat. I just want to know if there are real people or that's only me being delusional. And then a call. Okay, we'll make a grant with that move. Plus 100, plus 940. So it continues to grow, nothing really happens, and that's why I'll just continue to walk by the trend. As the oscillator shows with a positive momentum, the price is not on its peak, so we've got a plenty of room to grow. But it decided that it's got to start falling now. Okay. And I've really got to start fixing my breath. Because sometimes I don't even breath at all. A short or 100 will get back what we've lost. The losses is also a part of a trader's way. Okay, so let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. The stochastic oscillator got the negative values, and that is why we will make a Goya. We'll try to abuse the sewing. Thank you, Megan. I really appreciate that. Yeah, by the way, guys, if you like this stream, please consider pressing the like button. And if you want to trade just like I do, you can sign up on the website. The link is in the description. And use the demo account. You don't ever have to deposit anything. Just try it out yourself. You'll see the same graph, the same things. You can pick the silver OTC, the Bollinger Bands, stochastic oscillator, and we'll just trade together. Okay, so that is a plateau, and I've really gotta do something about it because I cannot just sit around and be silent when my money is in danger. And that is an OTC. The OTCs are open 24/7. I'm trading on a bucket option right now. That is why I can do that. So it seems that we are entering an uptrend now. Yep, that was a reversal. That is my deco here. Let's have a 1 grand in profits. And now it's wavy and I'm may have made a mistake. No, that's not a mistake. Not yet. Not yet. Okay, we've got the profits. We got the losses back. Okay, so the oscillator doesn't show me much. It just stays within the same range, which means that it is a plateau on a bigger scale. However, I will try to abuse the grow because the oscillator jumped back to the values of 80 and we will make something out of that call. Okay, here goes yet another grand. Oh my god, it was oh fuck. It was almost mine. A draw. Okay, that is a draw. Some fluctuations got me. Okay. Let me lower the sum. Cause I'm a bit tired of risk and everything. Yeah, the OTCs markets, the OTCs are open 24/7. You can trade anytime you want. If you want to try it yourself, just use the first link in the description. You don't even have to deposit anything. Just try it out yourself on a demo account. The only reason I want you to use the referral link is because I want to prolong my VIP status on the packet option. It requires you to bring in the followers, or you will have to pay a fortune for it. Plus 7 F2. For grand balance, we'll find a good entrance spot. 200 on call. Because the oscillator doesn't move from a point of 80, which means that we're on an uptrend now, and we've got the good odds for it to go through, and it just vanished, and it just vanished. Okay, not a big deal. That is why I changed the amount to 200. Okay, so it would be 5% of the deposit. Thank you, Luna. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I'm a little bit of silent today because I don't really see any messages in the chat. You're not asking any questions. You don't want to talk, and just want to try. If you've got any questions, if you want to talk about any topic you want, even the political ones, you can ask my opinion. You can ask me whatever. Because I put on the streams to just chat with strangers, and occasionally teach you a thing, a trick or two. You want to call? I'm sorry, on the short, because also later doesn't move further. It just stagnates in the same place. Plus 1596. Let's keep moving. And run it on a short. Didn't go through. Wow, that is a big one. That is a big candle for sure. Mm-hmm. So what is the next step of operation? So the next step of operation would be to make some more calls. But I've just got to find a place because we're on up right now. It might bounce a little bit down, but it would be still okay. Yeah, I'll try to do. I'll try to make it 20k today because yesterday it was 15 and I successfully withdrew it from a balance to the safe. But as for today, I'll try to make it 20. I'll try to make it 20 and let's see if we can do that. So the oscillator doesn't really move, it just fell down really hard, which can kind of mean that we are in a micro stream of a downtrend, but I don't believe that. Do another short? Okay. The bunch of bands. It's ripped apart. Mhm. So let me talk about something maybe. Do you guys read books or maybe you prefer cinema? Because I actually wanted to tell you that books are kinda overrated. I don't mean any kind of a book. I only mean the fictional stuff, maybe some novels. Because most of the books are overrated as hell, just because they are written with words instead of pictures or a video. And my point is that you should not take the idea of a book being some holy sacred thing that brings knowledge close to the heart, because most of the books are literally trash. You don't have to read them all. You have to like read maybe 300, 400 of them from the world's classics, and you'll be a smart person. You don't have to read all the time, maybe some topics or articles like I do, because I really like to read the economical articles most of the time from a business consulting and other stuff. And the cinema isn't as bad as we are told about it. To see a moving picture and to hear some words coming from a moving picture, isn't worse or better than reading a book. It is just entertainment. Yep, you're right, Mega. You're right. I saw it, and it should go through now. It doesn't. Turns out you are not the best trader. Okay, we'll get it back. It's not a big deal. It's only the number on the screen. That is why I don't take the losses close to the heart. Forgive me, because my voice broke a little bit. You guys listen to Eye Oxygen? I kinda like him. He's cool. So those later just rose into the 80s, into the almost 90s or hundreds. That is a really big trend, and we should start selling right about maybe now. I just need the confirmation of reversal. I need to know when it starts forming ill. So we will go through. It should have gone through, but the trend is way too strong to be flipped. So let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me keep it straight. Oh, triple on the Sharia, because that is where I went, and I saw that the stochastic oscillator has started to fall down to the floor. Good. Thank you, Megan. And we've lost it. The oscillator told me the truth, but I was way too hasty with my decisions. That is why I lost the money. Yeah. I'll crack and bone a two, and I will trade silver for you. Two calls out there. Okay, the oscillator is stuck on the levels 40. But I kinda predict that it's gonna just rise in the price. 752. Let's go. Let me fix my posture. So it seems to be a big scale. Bad guy plateau. 200 on the short. Here goes the double short. We'll get the last back with that single move. And it's okay. It's there. It's there. It will go through. Plus 752. Let's keep moving. So it starts to rise back. It might actually be a U formation. The stochastic oscillator doesn't show me a thing. The Bollinger Bands also stay silent. A short it is, and it doesn't go through. How unlucky of me. However, we'll be moving on. Let me find the next good spot, and we will use it to our advantage. Here goes the triple shot. Okay, now I've got it. Plus 128. Okay. So the next step is to wait until the statistical oscillator stops hanging around the value of 20. Okay, it started to grow bit by bit. That is why we have a good chance for gold to go through. Yeah, we started to grow. We've got a positive momentum, and it's gonna hit the level of 80 really soon. I may continue making some more calls out there, but I don't really know about it. Yeah, I do. I can, and I do sometimes. But the goat has got the different payout percent. That is why I don't really use it too often. hmm Here goes the double shot. Okay. Maybe I'll trade the golden stream someday, but that would not be that today. I want to become a master of the Silver Odyssey. I want to become the best Silver Odyssey trader. I will carve my name in the Hall of Fame. Two more shorts, plus 752. Okay, suits me. Seems to be fine. Here went another call. It should go through. Yeah, the volatility is quite a bit low on volatility. That is widespread. Not really know about the goats, because I used to trade it, but now I forgot it all. It can be different now. It can be really different. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, please consider subscribing to the channel and pressing the like button. I would really appreciate that. You would support me and support the thing I do. Plus 752. Okay. Seems to be a reversed U formation. Just yet, no, that would not be a U formation. So basically, I use the trend strategy, and I use the stochastic oscillator to calculate the momentum of the graph, and I use the Bollinger Bands just to detect the waves and read the reversals. And the core of a trend strategy is to just call when it's in an uptrend and short when it's downtrend. Easy as that. Sometimes I apply my knowledge to play from the bounces to play on the correction. For example, if it falls down way too hard, it should bounce back a little bit, and I would just make a call from the lowest point. And that is the whole strategy. If you want to learn more, you can ask any questions in the chat, or you can just watch the stream. I don't really make any comments because the thread is relatively simple, and I can focus on talking to you and educating people. Let's see what it do. Okay. More and more and more and more. Nothing really happens, so I'll try to check the market myself. Made two beautiful goals there. If you got any further questions, you can freely ask them in the chat. If you just want to talk, please ask me something about something. $200 on the call. We'll have a little bit of cash after that. That will be enough to pay for a fancy meal. Okay. Didn't go as planned. But we've still got the reins of our destiny. Yeah, why don't you can find the link in the description. If you want to talk to me privately, you can find my name in group. It is James Stradertown. Because my name is James, obviously. That will be my nickname. 200. Okay. Thank you, Valid. Thank you. I really appreciate your kind words. But let me see, let me think about it, let me go nap. So basically, we're in a downtrend, but it's kind of wavy, and now that might be a reversal. Let me think about it. Let me see. Triple call is a risky choice, but I am eager to earn more. Wow, that is a big one. That is a big one for sure, even for me. 6.6k. Let's make it 20 today. The stochastic oscillator doesn't show me much. That is a reversed U formation, but in some crooked and chaotic way. Still, it is a U formation. And I don't really know what will happen next. So I might actually just sit around, buffoon around, and make some occasional shorts from the high points. That would sum it up. Thank you, kind-hearted people. Thank you. Thank you for the emojis. Hadi bonjour. Jidda Abdullahi. That group you wanna join, you can find the link to the group in the description. You can also PM me. How much to join the group? It's free. It's free and anyone can join. Easy as that. Adi bonjour. Salam alaikum, brother. So what is going on with your life, guys? How is it going for you? Because I'm pretty much fine. Two shots out there. Plus 702. So it's calm today. It is just radical. I didn't lose much since the start of the stream, and now we've already got 7 grand, and we've started with only 1 grand. To make 600% in maybe 46 minutes. Yeah, that's something. Yeah, that's something cool. That is something cool for sure. I feel myself better than ever. Echo One Pro 7.3K. 200 don't call. That is the bucket option. If you want to join, you can find the link in the description. It's free for everyone. And if you want to sign up on to the broker website and try to trade yourself, you can just use the link in the description. There wouldn't be any paid content, there wouldn't be any marathons. You just sub and get the prices info. Yeah, brilliant. You're right. I am a clown for sure. I could have sold it. I would have sold it, but I didn't. And now it's almost free. Two more 200s. It was later falls down. The Bollinger Band shows me a reversal. Yep, that is a reversal for sure. Plus 752. I don't even wanna talk about any other topics because I feel myself tired. But if you would like to discuss something, I'm free and open for anything, for any new experience. Two more 200s. Mm-hmm. So I ran on a balance. That isn't really any kind of information, so just continue spamming with calls. The oscillator jumps up, so that is gonna be a small reversal. And to add to that, it didn't go through. and for I just had to have more time. Mhm. So here it goes. Here goes the call. We'll play back the losses and we'll make it 20k today. Plus 376. Let's get it. Let's get it, my boys. Let's go. Two more calls. Okay. Seems to be a nice decision. And we went to the plateau. I could have made a sandwich here, but I didn't. Yeah, that's the bucket option. But if you want to trade yourself, you can just use my referral link. Open up the demo account and trade whatever you want, just as it. Once you feel self-confident, you can deposit maybe 10, 15 bucks the amounts which you are not afraid to lose. Otherwise, your decisions will be emotion driven, not the mind driven. And the market option, to say the truth, is one of the best brokers on the market. I have never had any problems whatsoever. So the silver OTC really pays me off a little bit. Those later stays within the same price. What's the best stock analytic platform? I don't really know. I don't really know. Stock analytic platform. Try it out yourself and tell me later. I'm not afraid to not to know something. I'm afraid to tell someone I know something I don't know. Silver shorts went through 8.5k yet again. Almost 6. Almost 6. Okay. Almost 7. There was late growth in power. It falls down. It's so controllable. It's all pretty much controllable. Just let me handle it. Plus 376. So let's go. Nothing changes about it. Too short. And they want to go for the oscillator didn't lie. That was just me. A fool. I am a fool. Yep, I am. I am. Mm-hmm. So the next step is to make two more shorts out there. Yet another two more shorts. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, please consider hitting the like button. I would really appreciate that. You can write anything in the chat. I will try to answer all of your questions. It doesn't matter whether I know the topic or not, I'll try to say at least something useful. So those waiters went down to the floor. Two shorts didn't go through. 8.3 grand. It seems that we are stuck out there. We're stuck with the same balance in the same situation. And I'll get just do it. I'll just take it with a brute force. So we might make some calls out there or continue walking by the trend. I cannot decide it right now. I cannot decide it. Two more calls. No, I won't. Yes, that is unwise, Luna. I'll make two more calls here. The oscillator should be jumping up. And yep, here it goes. Here it goes 8.7 cannon bounce. Let's can keep it that way and make some more shorts and calls. The oscillator moves up. Two calls. Okay. Didn't go through, not a big deal. But it is unfortunate. Uh, two goes, okay. It would be 9 grand. It should be 9 grand. 8.8. Yeah, it would be 8.8. 8.6. Okay, but we've got almost like half away, almost half away. I don't know when it's on uptrend or downtrend. Well, you can distinguish them by the candlestick patterns. You can just distinguish them visually. You can look at the stochastic oscillator. If it gives a positive momentum and it shows the values of something higher than 40 or 50, it means that you've got the good chances for it to be an uptrend. And it works vice versa if you've got some numbers, like for example, less than 40, for example, 20, it means that the market has got a negative momentum and you can't do anything about it. You just have to comply with what is happening on the screen. For example, now it is an uptrend, but it's gonna end really, really soon. But still, I'll risk it and I'll try to do my best. And turns out that is the pick. I use the bucket option. You can find the link in the description. I just need the referrals because I wanna continue by my VIP status. Free shots. Okay. Mm, it's good. It is good. It is good. And it is good. It is a downtrend, but I want to enter the next one without any risk, so I wait until a reversal happens and it confirms. But as for now, I'll just continue walking by the trend. Yeah, I just use the bucket option. Mhm. Does my webcam work? Yeah, pretty much. The bucket option is simply one of the best because it lets me withdraw any amounts anytime in crypto. And because they gave me with a VIP status, because they brought some people who became the millionaires afterwards. Hmm. So if you got any questions, you can freely ask them in the chat. I would gladly answer all of them. Mm, 2,200. That is okay. Sometimes I do. I use the 100, for example, one of my favorites. Just not now. So nothing happens, and I cannot really explain anything if nothing happens. You can just talk to each other in the chat. You can ask any questions you want from me. And I'll just trade in a meanwhile. 230. Yeah, different good chances. The oscillator is on a line of 40, so it means that an uptrend fights with the downtrend in the deal for. Well, okay. We'll have to figure something out. The gold pair, maybe on the next stream. Right now, I'm abusing the silver OTC. Hmm. Okay, two calls went through. They actually did it. It is so calm. I feel so sleepy because of that. Because there is no challenge. I just take the money out. I don't even scream today or outrage or else. Okay, so here go to my calls because the oscillator showed me the stable momentum of the growth. That is why the price is skyrocketed. And by the way, guys, if you have any questions regarding the trading, I can answer. At least try to answer all of them. Just write them down into the chat. So a short goes through plus 376. $200 on the short out here. It seems almost perfect. Okay, 9 grand on the balance. Let's keep it that way. Maybe I'll change the sum, but not yet. And I want it my way. Tell me why. Okay, so stop thinking and concentrate on the trading. Earning money is my top one priority for now. Because if I want to travel if I want, I have Abraham. Thank you, Abraham. You helped me a lot. Plus one grand 128. Okay. That is an okay result. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. I saw how many of them you gave me. And that is beautiful. That is simply beautiful. Thank you. So where's the support of a Bollinger Band? When I need it. So that is why I'll make sure it's out there. They seem to go through. Yep, they will. They definitely will. When I have any other choice. And oh my god. Oh my god. They didn't go through. Uh, 20. Okay. So those will go through. But also later save the day. 752. That is cool. I like that. I want it that way. Tell me why. Tell me why nothing happens. I don't want to short it because sometimes the green break for cannot just ruin it. So the fluctuations may get me when I won't be ready. That is why I'm gonna continue shorting. 1 mistake. That was a single mistake coming out of me. hmm And kind of balance seems to be okay. Two more. Yeah, you're right, Abraham. I should have thought, and I did exactly that. Thank you for advice. Yeah, but it is. And that is what I do. But sometimes fluctuations just get me. The grain breakthrough can also ruin over game. That is why I use the Bollinger Bands to observe such situations. And as you can see, it happens quite a bit often. Way too often to be something unusual. Plus 376. Here we go. We've almost made it to the 10,000 hours. By the way, guys, if you enjoyed the stream, please consider hitting the like button. You would really help me. And if you want to rate like me, just press the first link in the description and you'll open up the Pocket Option website. And you'll use it to earn a buck or two, just like I do. I cannot really see any opening out there, so just remain silent and I will wait. Okay, here goes the double call. It stopped growing, and then both later showed me that it's gonna fall really soon. That is why I made two shorts out there. And they didn't go through. My god, they didn't go through. I can deal with that. It is manageable. It is still okay. Oh, they are trading. What is that? Fuck it. And by the way, I've never tried the AI trading. Perhaps I should try it myself one day. Maybe I'll try it, but with the strict rules, maybe I'll do something else, but I don't really know yet. $200 on the call. It seems to be nice. By the way, guys, if you've got any questions in the chat, you can ask them freely, and I'll try to answer all of them. Yeah, Abraham, that is nice. But we're still on a downtrend, and that is nice as well. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Thank you, Abraham. That is nice to hear. That someone just copies me and gets free money. Two goals. Okay. We went through plus 752. That is almost 10 grand on the balance. And I think we'll make it to the 15k at least today. At the very least. There's nothing to explain yet, cause nothing happens. But when I'll do the move, I'll explain anything to you. Anything you want. Let me lock in. Let me lock in for now. So here goes the double short. The oscillator didn't move anywhere above the level of 20. That is why it's safe to say that the short here were the right move, and the Bollinger Bands showed me the downfall. Easy as that. So also later went up to the levels of 80. It won't help it. The positive momentum won't help it because they cannot break. They cannot break the big downtrend. And I'm gonna double down on the downtrend. It's never worked out. Okay. Okay, but we still have something. We've still got something. I don't even listen to the music anymore. I just want to trade and I want to win. I want to exit as a winner instead of being a freaking loser. Two shots out there, still down trend. Hi Joshua. The Joshua said to me, hi trader. And I said to Joshua, hi Joshua. How's it going, my fellow Joshua? By the way, Drew, I read it correctly. Or maybe I did a mistake. The same thing, the same thing, the same thing. Oscillate on verb of 18, no room to grow, chaotic canals. Wait, I'll wait until it all is washed away. Two more calls. The same thing. I would try to abuse the plateau. I would try to abuse the breakthrough canals. I couldn't find a better spot, but it seems to be a good one. Okay, 10 grand in the balance. Let's make it 15. I'll make it at least 15, or maybe I'll move to 20k. Who knows? Who knows? This sure goes there. We're just shooting from the highest point. That is the whole strategy. And we go from the lowest point, and sometimes the market fucks me up and we don't see the money at all. But that's not the case today, because today we've made $10,000. Let me change the amount to 500 per one deal, and that would be 5% out of my total deposit. I'll put down the headphones and I'll just focus on the trading. Okay, it went through plus 1 grand. So we are moving really close to the 15k milestone. The oscillator is still, oh no, it's not still the same. It is just stuck on the low of 80. The Bollinger Bands don't show me anything yet. There was gonna be a correction, but the oscillator has got a different opinion than that topic. Because the oscillator isn't an automatic thing, as the Bollinger Band is. So it might not show you the bigger picture. You have to figure it out yourself. That is why I'm gonna make two goals out there. Just following the trend. There is no sign of a reversal, and I kind of trust it. Plus 2 grand. Okay. I don't know my strategy. Oh my man. You can subscribe to my Telegram channel. I've got an academy of people like you willing to learn. But basically, I just short from the high spots and call from the low ones. That is it. I just abuse myself. I mean, no, I don't abuse myself. I don't self harm. I don't know what's self harm. I just abuse my body and my brain to make the perfect moves when it comes to the trading. Okay, we are getting closer to the milestone of 15K. Let's see what happens next. Maybe I'll just lose it all, or maybe I'll become a new king of the world. So that is an uptrend now. Yeah, that is a strong uptrend. Okay, if it's strong, well, it's on it. It's on him. I would just boil it till the those shorts. Okay, that is a draw. The draw also suits me. It's better than nothing, but it will actually be cooler to lose the money for real, and then run after that gangster. It is the bungee bands, and I don't really show me anything. Oscillator is still 40. Mm-hmm. Okay, it started growing back. That is why I'll make two goals out here. And we didn't go through just the last second. My God, I almost had it. I almost had it in my hands. The oscillator moves up. It should go back. Yep, it does. And what was a right decision to place a shot there? Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. We've got it. Am I live? Yep, I pretty much am. Let me grind and go to anyone's point, and we will repeat it yet again. Two shots out there, the oscillator is on the bottom. So it's clear as day. But the breakthrough candle might ruin everything. I mean, a green one, the red one. Okay. Okay, two more. Something like four more deals. Thank you, Joshua. That is not the best stream of my career because I just don't feel like streaming today. But I'm disciplined, and that is why I will stream today, and I will trade today, and I'll do the stuff I've gotta do every day. So sorry, explain again. I didn't hear you. Well, bad for you, but basically, I just short from my high point and call from my low points. If you want to learn more, you've got to subscribe to my Telegram channel, because I've got plenty of educational videos on the topic, and you can ask me any question you want, just whatever you want, spit it out. And let me see. Let me see. I'm going to make a move. Let me find the beautiful right spot. in the United States at the moment, even New York. I plan to move to the Fairlands because I don't feel like it. I don't really like the United States. That is not my type of a country. And besides that, I'm just a migrant, and I might have problems with the ICE if they come to my doors. Same goes for the IRS, because it's obviously that I don't pay the taxes for my crypto things. I'm just paying cash for everything. Mm-hmm. Never happens. Never happens, and I cannot make even a slightest move. Maybe you're right. Joshua, maybe you're right. But I'll do the other way, because that is a reversal. Yep, it is a reversal. That is a reversal for sure. The stochastic oscillator showed me the right path. The path to greatness. Plus 2 grand moving on, 4 more deals, and I'll have a milestone of 15,000. I've gotta have 14 perfect deals, so I can reach the milestone of 20,000. Double down it on the short. I will sell just as you told me, Joshua. Because now the oscillator is on the bottom. And the Bollinger Band showed me that it's gonna be a wave. So here it is, 2 more deals, 2 more successful deals, and we'll have a milestone. I wanna have it. I wanna have it. I wanna have it. Mm-hmm. Let's keep it that way. But I might actually do something here. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, please consider pressing the like button. I would really appreciate that, and you would help my channel grow a lot. And you can also share this stream to your friends, your relatives, and maybe even girlfriends. Because we are holding the elite ball here. By the way, have you heard about the Azerbaijan air fryers and all these TikTok memes about them? Because I use the TikTok sometimes to get off a walk and just relax in the stupidest way, and it does its thing good. I like a TikTok. Yeah, just so here goes the milestone. It almost it almost goes. Yep, it does. It does. It does. It does. It does. It's here. Let's go. Yep. Yep, Andrew. Let's go. Let's go, my champs. We've got something. We've got the milestone. And that thing deserves a like. Please give me one if you have one. I'm not asking for more. Let me find the right spot. Oscillator jumps down. Mhm. 500. On the go. And we went through, they actually go through. Okay, plus 2 grand. Let's keep moving. I got to have 4 in a row if I want it to be 20,000. So the ghost went through. The oscillator showed me. Oh my god, they didn't go through. Oh my god, I was so confident about them, but I didn't even talk about them. They were so basic. Yep, I got 'em. I can. Just he goes. Okay. Just find the link in the description. Join my Telegram channel group, and then you can write me in the private messages. My nickname is James Trader Can 10. James lowercase, Trader lowercase 10. It's on the Telegram channel group. And you can ask me any questions in the chat. Any questions, whatever. I'll answer all of them. 2 goals. And the oscillator is pretty much good. Plus 1800. Let's go. Let's go. 16 grand on the balance. It's so manageable. We'll hit the milestone of 20k. I just need more time. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say, and then I saw it go away. Do you guys like the Slipknot? Sometimes I listen to them. Such a cool, kick-ass band. And what about it? What about that short? Please, can you go through? I'm gonna have it. Okay, plus 940. Let's keep moving. Let's keep that moving. By the way, guys, if you've got any questions, you are free to ask them in the chat. And I will not be tired of repeating the same thing for the whole stream because I really want to talk to you. Two more calls. The Sakasa Oscillator is stuck on the levels of 80. We've got the good chances. We'll go through. It almost, oh my god, it almost went through. A red thing once again. How I hate it. I hate it so much. No, that's the bucket option. That is the pocket option platform. We are trading the silver OTCs right now, and I'm trying to reach the milestone of $20k on my balance before the stream ends. And I'm doing my best. So the oscillator is way down. The Bollinger Bands, tell me about the wave. And if, by the way, guys, if you've got any questions, you can freely ask them in the chat. I will try to answer all of them. That's the packet option. If you want to try it yourself, you can just use a demo account, use my referral link. And just use the demo account for yourself. You don't even have to deposit any real money. You can try it out, and it would be the same as mine. The YouTube has got something like 3 to 5 seconds delay, so it will be most. It will look like mine most of the time, but it will have a delay. So it might actually screw you up a little bit. But you can try copying me. I'm not against that. If that will make you a ton of cash, why not? Okay, that is a really big one. That is a big green breakthrough candle. Almost 17 grand in the balance. And the next step of the operation would be to maybe make a call, because I like the oscillator out there. But what if we just short it yet again? We've got good chances for it. Yep, here goes the double shot. We've got good chances. That was the highest point, and I've got it just in time. Plus 1800. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving, my boys. We've almost reached the milestone of 20k. And by the way, guys, if you like the stream, please consider giving me a like and a subscription. You would really help me promote my channel. And one day we'll get an army of skilled traders. And we'll create our own BlackRock. So here goes the double call, because the stochastic oscillator has got the good chances to jump, and yep, it does exactly that. It's gathering the positive momentum. That is the silver OTC. I'm trading the binary options. This one is called a bargain option. One of the best in my opinion. You can try it out yourself, just create a demo account. You don't even have to deposit my money. Just do it for free. And by the way, guys, if you like a stream, please hit the like button. I want more viewers and I want more views. Perhaps I'll have to make some videos in the future regarding the trading. It isn't really hard, it is just what it is. 19 grand. My god, 19 grand. As like a oscillator moves up. Yeah, the binary option. The bucket option is the binary option. Let me fix my posture. You either win or lose here. Nothing in between. The draw is in between, but the draw happens very rare. So you either win or lose. Have you come across the binary options? Have you ever heard of them? That is a cool thing to earn a buck or two. Henry, yeah. I know about you, but T-Dog has got to make his own decisions. And that is why he asks for questions. He's got to decide for himself if he wants to trade on a platform. The pocket option, our first link in the description. I just need referrals to prolong my VIP status. Yeah, but it's open 24/7. I won't really get any money from you, even if you deposit the cash or the crypto or whatever you want. But I'll get the referral. Okay, so we've struck the 20,000 milestone. You can get. I think I can sell you the signals if you write me in my private messages on Telegram. My nickname is James lowercase Droid lowercase 10. Yep, I'm trading OTC market. The site cannot be reached. Maybe you have to open up a VPN. Uh, does it work? Yep, it does. You just need to use the VPN because in some countries it's blocked because of using the Cloudflare. It should be okay for the United States, but if it doesn't work, you should use the VPN. Yeah, the OTCs are open 24/7. That is why they are a little bit better than the regular market. Mhm. Thanks for coming, guys. Mhm. So I'll be waiting until the stochastic oscillator gives me some idea. I'll make a call out there. It will form some formation. Now it will not. +1 granted again. I think the bucket option is better because I used to the bucket option. I've been trading for almost 1.5 years on the bucket option, and I think the bucket option is simply better. I've never had any problems with withdrawals. We've got the bonuses from the newcomers, and besides that, we've got the best technical support you can ever imagine. Yep, I can. Just write me in the private messages on the Telegram and join my group. You can grasp the basics on the stream. Basically, anyone can trade just using the trend strategy. It is simple. Okay, I'll make it 1,000. It would be 5% of my budget. Mm. And we'll trade with that. Keep in mind that we've started from $200. And now the single trade is 1,000. Hi, Vikram. How's it going, my champ? How's it going for you? I'm trading on the pocket option right now. I'm trading the silver OTCs. Perhaps tomorrow I'll pick the gold OTC. But as for now, I'm trying to find the best entrance point, and I'm trying to make it work with the oscillator. Can I put my Telegram link? It's in the description, but I think I might just copy it into the chat. Here it goes. Does it work for you? Or is it blocked? It might be just blocked. Okay, it seems to be blocked by the YouTube. That is why you should use the description. The username. Okay, so let me see. Here it goes. The username. For some reason, I couldn't paste it normally. Yep, the market rips me as a fucking bitch. Just lost 5,000 in the meanwhile. Should have quit with 20,000 and now it's almost all over. $1,800. Here we go. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. I stream every day, the same time, the same place. So in order not to miss my streams, just subscribe. I'll always send the notification. You can also subscribe to my Telegram channel. It'll be useful. Yep, let's get that backup cash. Okay, here it goes. As the Stochastic oscillator falls down, the Bollinger Band shows me a wave. Yep, it's clear. It's clear as a day. We're getting back to our milestone. And I think I'll make just a couple more trades and I'll go do something else. Thank you, Joshua. I expect all of you to come tomorrow, the same time, the same place. I'll stream for 2 hours, then I'll log off. Thank you, Abraham. Thank you. So basically, I'll stream 6 p.m. UTC -5, 6 p.m. and 30 minutes. Few calls out there, just follow the trend and follow the stochastic oscillator. The Bollinger Bands are crooked, but we are reaching the peak. It's almost 20,000. And I kind of like it. Yep, it's cool. It is cool. So we must reach the peak, and after that, I think we will short it. But we have not reached the peak yet. Okay, so here goes the shot. I'll shot from the highest point. That should be the peak because it stops growing, and it turns out that I was fucking scammed. That isn't the peak. That is not the peak. That is the peak. This one is the peak. And even that one isn't the peak. Okay, so maybe I'm just too tired. Yep, I'm way too tired. I should quit. It is not the peak. Hello, Amir. How's it going in Dubai? Are you doing well, my champ? I've lost a little bit. I've got a little bit, but in the end, it will be too short. Forming the oscillator. And hydrating with some water. The default ones. The default ones. The stochastic oscillator is 1433 and the Bollinger Bands are the default. Okay, 19,000. Mm, I think I'll make a shot here because it's wavy and it might be a downfall out there. Here it goes. Yep, here it goes. Just as I told you. Plus 1 grand. Let's keep moving. hmm so you can ask me any questions in chat, whatever you want. I'll try to answer all of them. In the meanwhile, I will try to trade and earn some more before the stream is over. So that is a big downfall. I've got to wait until a reversal occurs, and we'll make some calls. Too fast, way too fast. Okay, here goes the correction. Your chart is 20 seconds in front because the YouTube has got a delay, and I cannot fix it. That is why your chart is 20 seconds in front. You're basically talking to a man from the past, and I don't see your messages instantly. There is also a delay. If everything is delayed. I have the lowest delay possible set in the settings, but it's not enough. The stream itself is way too heavy. Two shots out there for the stochastic oscillator. So that is yet another wave. Plus 1800. Let's go. I'm gonna earn a couple more bucks. So if that is not the lowest point, and if that is why I don't wanna do anything yet, and probably I should risk it there. I think it is worth it. Thank you for the likes, my guys. By the way, if you're first time here, please consider subscribing and give me a like. I would really appreciate that. To get a withdrawal, depends on the type of your account. VIPs get the withdrawals almost in the seconds. But the default accounts, it can take up to maybe half a day. I don't really remember, but the withdrawals are usually fast, way faster than that. The default ones, the Bollinger Bands are the defaults. Because my stream is delayed by 20 seconds by the YouTube itself. That is why your chat is up front for 20 seconds. It depends, and the withdrawal from a packet option depends on the type of a withdrawal, on the type of withdrawal you want it to be. For example, it is much easier to withdraw something in the Bitcoin or the USDT, but it is much harder to give you money in for example, the cash for the debit card. Where else? That is the packet option platform. Silver OTC. And we've made quite a fortune today, 20,000. That is good. Let me find a spot. Okay, so I didn't find a spot, but my guys, I stream every day. If you want to educate yourself, please come here. Okay, here it goes. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button. Yep. It is over for today. But I'll come tomorrow, the same time, the same place. 8 p.m. UTC -5. And we'll trade the OTCs. Perhaps tomorrow we'll trade the gold, but who knows? Maybe I'll just stick to the silver. If you've got any questions, you can ask them tomorrow. But I think that is it today. And I'll provide you with a new Telegram link really soon, with all the new links you need. I plan to open up my private trading school. It would be free for everyone. You won't have to pay for anything. It's already morning time here. Oh, okay. But it's 8 p.m. for me. Thank you, Amir. I hope you come tomorrow. And we'll trade something big. Here goes 2 grand. Okay. And I'm quite a bit tired right now. Perhaps I'll have a nap. Or I might even go to sleep. Because that is the time. Let me find a good spot. I'll make some more quick trades and then I'll go chill out somewhere. I'll buy my second bag of chips. And probably which Breaking Bad. 2 more calls. Good chance to trade. Well, just test them out on the demo account. Pick whatever you want, but I would suggest you to choose the OTCs, depending on the payout percent. The less the percent, the less chaotic they are. So the more chances you've got. Just use the demo mode, try different indices, try different technical analysis tools, and find a strat for yourself. There are plenty of videos on the internet. Just check them out. Try the Bollinger Band and the stochastic oscillator, because the oscillator will show you the momentum of a graph. You will see the not the exact movement, but the idea of a movement. It is a little bit of different. It will not tell you the whole story, but it will give you the idea of where it moves. You should not trust it over time, but it is okay. You can use it with RSI 14, for example. Okay, let it be 1,000. Uh, 6 p.m. UTC -5, usually. 6 p.m. UTC -5, 6:30 actually. So I've started the stream 2 hours ago, the same time every day, without weekends. I might not stream only if I have some internet issues or something else. Let me find a good spot. I've made 4,000 right now. Let me find another good spot. There's a plateau. I don't want to do anything out there. Let's make a triple call because it started to grow and I see some movements on the stochastic oscillator. We've got good chances to have a big win out there. Please just go for. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. It is time. It is time to go chill. I think that is time to chill. That is time to say stop and go chilling somewhere. Yep, I do. I trade every day without weekends. Same time, same place. Two more calls. Just one more oscillator. It should bounce from the floor, but I think I will lose those. Yep, I've lost those. I've made a mistake. Yeah, I've made a mistake. Oh my god. That is a big one. That is a big one for sure. And I think that will be it for today. That will be it for today. I'm really tired. I've started to make mistakes. So thanks everyone for coming. I'm here. I will be waiting for you on the next stream. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and on the next stream, I'll provide you with all the links you need. So, bye bye.